Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena. And if you're new, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join this amazing family. So as you can see, I'm in the kitchen, guys, and I'm standing right next to the fridge because I want us to clean the fridge. I want us to clean and organize. I'm not doing thorough cleaning today because it's a bit late and I want to start making dinner immediately after that. So I'll just wipe it down because it's looking bad, and then we organize those stuff right there in here. So it's a Samsung fridge and I love it. This is how it looks. So let me just show you how it looks inside, how bad the situation is, and then we move on. Alright guys, so that is my fridge. I love this Samsung fridge. Let me show you. Yeah, okay, the model is here. Samsung, and it has a 10 years warranty. It's a digital inverter and all that. So yeah, so this oh my god, look at that. This is so embarrassing. So I usually prepare my greens and put them in the freezer, and they usually last for so long. So all this is greens. This one I know it was for kitambo. These ones I prepared yesterday, and this is for mokimo. So you can see how bad this place looks. And then down here is the fridge, and as you can see, it's also the bad situation. So watermelon, cabbages, malenge for the babies, and leftover food and all that. So let's sort this situation out.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Guys, the situation was so bad, imebidi nioshe off camera, but at least you can see that the fridge has become so clean. It's so sparkling clean. Aunga compare na ile ilikuwa before. So the down part, these are the only parts zenye ni chafu, but hizi ni zile zinabayanga nazo, like sijaitoa mpaka wa leo sijaitoa. But everything else is looking so good, so seamless. And someone broke this part. I don't know who broke that. I love it. It's clean, so clean. So easy ndio imebaki nioshe na zile za huku ndani, cause those ones zimewezwa, hizo nitabidi ni scrub. So let me do that and then we organize. Alright guys, so let's start there because I'm done. In here I have my fruit basket, and in it we have bananas and oranges, and then I usually have this tray here that I've placed my spoons. And then in the freezer we only have greens for now. And then down here we have 2 pineapples, half watermelon. We have, this is cooking cream, that not cooking cream, cake cream. The other day we baked and we remained with some cream. Let me show you what we were using. This one, this pristine whipping cream, so like the one that we mixed ilibaki hapo. And then we have lemons, and then malenge for the baby, and then down there we have cabbages, and then here we have tomatoes and capsicum. Yep. Then on the side we have this milk we usually get from a local vendor. So yeah guys, that's how that fridge turned out. And for that matter, that's said and done. Please subscribe. I am manifesting a fridge that is full of sausages, chicken, beef, goat meat, all kinds of meat, bacon. So subscribe guys, subscribeni. And then mwambie mabeshtu wenyu kuna dem pale na manifest kujaza fridge. Na tutajaza hiyo fridge by subscribing and sharing. Sindio? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.